What is AngularJS? AngularJS is a JavaScript-based open-source front-end web framework primarily maintained by Google and a community of individual developers. It's used for building dynamic web applications and single-page applications, SPAs. Here's a detailed overview of AngularJS, including its features, advantages, disadvantages, and architecture. Features of AngularJS. Two-way data binding. AngularJS synchronizes the data between the model and the view automatically, which means any changes in the model are instantly reflected in the view and vice versa. MVC architecture. AngularJS follows the Model View Controller, MVC, architectural pattern, where the model represents the data, the view displays the data, and the controller manages the data and business logic. Directives. AngularJS provides built-in directives like ingModel, ingBind, ingRepeat, etc., which extend HTML with new attributes and tags. These directives are used to create custom HTML elements and behaviors. Dependency injection. AngularJS has a built-in dependency injection mechanism that makes it easy to manage dependencies between different components of an application. Modularity. AngularJS allows developers to create modular components, such as controllers, services, filters, and directives, which can be easily reused across different parts of the application. Testing. AngularJS comes with built-in support for unit testing, which makes it easier to write and execute tests for individual components of an application. Routing. AngularJS provides a built-in routing mechanism that allows developers to create single-page applications with multiple views and navigate between them without reloading the entire page. Form validation. AngularJS provides form validation features that allow developers to validate user input easily and provide feedback to users in real time. Advantages of AngularJS. Productivity. AngularJS simplifies the development process by providing tools and features that help developers write less code and accomplish more in less time. Two-way data binding. The automatic synchronization of data between the model and the view reduces the amount of boilerplate code and makes the development process more efficient. Modularity and reusability. AngularJS promotes modularity and reusability by allowing developers to create reusable components and easily inject dependencies between them. Community support. AngularJS has a large and active community of developers who contribute to its development, provide support, and create third-party libraries and tools. Built-in tools. AngularJS comes with built-in tools for routing, form validation, testing, and other common tasks, which reduces the need for third-party libraries and simplifies the development process. Performance. AngularJS is optimized for performance and comes with features like lazy loading, which helps improve the loading time and responsiveness of web applications. Disadvantages of AngularJS. Steep learning curve. AngularJS has a steep learning curve, especially for developers who are new to JavaScript frameworks or have experience with other frameworks. Complexity. As AngularJS applications grow in size and complexity, they can become difficult to maintain and debug, especially for developers who are not familiar with the framework. Performance overhead. AngularJS adds some performance overhead due to features like two-way data binding and digest cycles, which can affect the performance of large-scale applications. Versioning and migration. AngularJS has undergone several major revisions. SEO challenges. AngularJS is a client-side framework, which means that content rendered using JavaScript may not be indexed by search engines, leading to SEO challenges. Architecture of AngularJS. AngularJS follows a component-based architecture, where applications are built using reusable components such as controllers, services, directives, and filters. The architecture can be summarized as follows. Modules. AngularJS applications are organized into modules, which are containers for different parts of an application. Modules can depend on other modules and can be used to encapsulate related functionality. Controllers. Controllers are JavaScript functions that are responsible for handling user interactions and updating the model. They are typically associated with specific views and contain the business logic for that view. Services. Services are reusable components that encapsulate business logic and data manipulation logic. They are used to share data and functionality between different parts of an application. Directives. Directives are markers on a DOM element that tell AngularJS's HTML compiler to attach a specified behavior to that DOM element or even transform the DOM element and its children. Templates. Templates are HTML files that contain the UI of an application. AngularJS allows developers to create dynamic templates using data binding and directives. Filters. Filters are used to format data displayed to the user. They can be used to format text, numbers, dates, and other types of data. Routing. AngularJS provides a built-in routing mechanism that allows developers to create single-page applications with multiple views and navigate between them without reloading the entire page. Overall, AngularJS offers a powerful framework for building dynamic and interactive web applications, but it also comes with its own set of complexities and challenges that developers need to be aware of.
Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and share the video.